Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So we will continue another session for manual testing training. So if you will miss the video, you can watch my previous video. Okay, I will share this all the playlist link and where you will get this complete series of manual testing. Okay, whatever till now we have uploaded. So coming days I will upload many videos. Okay, so keep watching and you know and subscribe my channel and press bell icon as well, so when I will upload any new video you will get notification. Okay, so today topic is what is entry criteria for alpha testing. Okay, so actually this is very normal question. Sometime they will ask you in the interview what is the entry and exit criteria. Okay, so I'm discussing about of alpha testing. Okay, we have an entry and exit criteria for testing or as well sign off. So basically we are doing the almost sign off. This is the final round of the testing. Okay, okay. So what is the entry criteria for alpha testing? Software requirement, document or business requirement or specification. So we have a one document, so where we will get all the requirement. Accordingly we start the testing, right? So mostly application having the this requirement and business. One document is there, name it's vary depend upon the company. All the test cases for all the requirements, so we have already ready because this is the final round of the testing, right? So as per the requirement document, we all the test cases are ready. Testing team with a good knowledge about of the software application, so almost we have done our complete testing. So definitely all the testing team having the very good knowledge about of application, right? So I can give you one example. So you are working on the Amazon, right? So you are doing testing from long time, definitely you have a very, or you have worked before like e-commerce domain. So definitely you having the good exposure of your e-commerce domain, right? Test lab environment setup, so already every setup is done because we have already done all many round of the testing before. QA build ready for the execution. So yeah, so test management tool for uploading the test cases and logging the defect. So we use different types of the test management tool. So depend upon the company what type of the they are using the test management tool. Okay, so generally we have a Jira, Rally. This is the common tools, but product based company having their own tools, but the process are same. Then we have a traceability matrix. So traceability matrix is a complete summary of your complete testing, right? What we are doing. So we will also have a separate video of what is the traceability matrix in the coming session. So don't worry. So it's like a complete summary of your test, whatever the testing we have done. For traceability matrix to ensure that the each design requirement has at least one test cases that verify it. Okay, so this is what we have a entry criteria. You have everything you have, then you can start your alpha testing. So what is exit criteria? So all the test cases have been executed and passed. When you are doing alpha testing or if you are finding any defect, then we have to raise the defect. Again developer will fix it. Then again it will come to us. Again we can retest, we can do again one sort of the regression whatever the fixes we have done. So what I am saying, like all the test cases must be passed, all the severity issue need to be fixed and closed. Okay, so we have a severity you see like impacted on your application. So everything is fixed. Delivery of the test summary report. So we have a one final report for the stakeholder. Okay. So stakeholder means our client, right? Where like you are working for Apple and all. So you having the complete summary report, we can share to our stakeholder with all the how many test cases we have, how many test cases are passed, how many test cases are automated, how many test cases are manual. So this all the summary we can create as per our system requirement. Okay, make sure that no more additional features can be included. Yeah, so whatever we have done already, so here we are not doing any additional, we are not adding any additional features and all, just we can focus on our fixes and sign off on the alpha testing. So this is the final sign of the alpha testing. We'll send one sign off email to our stakeholder. Guys, so it depend upon, but mostly we can create a one summary report where our stakeholder means your client, your testing team and dev team might be they will include it, depend upon, but mainly they are application owner and stakeholder is there for the sign off email. We have to include them. Okay. Sometime they can ask you what is the sign off email in the interview and how you are sending the sign off email. Okay. So you have to know, right? So what is the sign off email? So you can explain the same. Okay. So now what is the entrance criteria and exit criteria for beta testing? So that was for alpha testing. And now we can discuss about of beta testing. Entrance criteria for beta testing means sign off a document on the alpha testing, because this application we are going to deploy on the prod, means user will directly use this, right? So we can get some sign off email, then we can hand over to users. Okay, beta version of the software should be ready. So we can say to our customer, hey, this is the beta version. If you are finding anything or any feedback, okay, so means we can take the feedback from the customer or users. Environment ready to release the product software application to the public. Okay, tools to capture in the real fault. Okay, so some tools are also there. They can capture whatever the issue or whatever the feedback you are getting. Like we can give one feedback link to the customer. If they are using your application, if they are able to find anything, then they can give your proper information about of your proper feedback to you. Then we can go through this all the feedback and we can have another release for next release for that. So what is the exit criteria for beta testing? All the major and minor issue are closed. So here minor and major issues must be closed. Feedback reports should be prepared from the public. I already told you, right? So we will have a one feedback link to the customer so they can fill over there. Delivery of beta test summary report. So every thing we have a one report. So that report is proof, right? If you don't have a report, if something went wrong, then again we having the lot of question from the stakeholder, you will get escalation at all. So make sure you have a one report summary whatever you are doing as a testing perspective. We don't know now this application is working, after 1 hour the application is not working. What is your proof? You have a proper screenshot and proper documentation what you are doing the testing. So next topic is what is ad hoc testing. So ad hoc testing means just we can do random testing. Okay. So some fixes are there and you have a very less time. Some small fixes are a major fixes also. Like, but we have a small time to, we have a very less time to test our application and release in the production. So in this scenario, we do ad hoc testing. Okay. So randomly we are going to do testing, but here we have some risk also, right? If you will miss something, then again it will be a problem for us. So when we can do ad hoc testing, if you are a very good in the application, when you will see the application, you know the application, you already worked on and you already have an idea where our application is going to break and all, right? So that scenario we can test randomly. Understood, right? So ad hoc testing is a informal testing type with an aim to break the system. Okay. This system is usually unplanned activity. It does not it does not follow any test design technique to create a test cases. In fact, is does not create a test cases together. This testing is primarily performed if the knowledge of the testers in the system under the test is very high. Understood, right? You are already expert in this application. You are working from long time. You are expert in this domain. Though that will, so that will help us. Testers randomly test the application without any test cases or any business requirement document, because you already know everything about of your application. So here we don't have a test cases, any requirement document and all. So here that is called ad hoc. Okay, so if you have everything, that is, that is not called ad hoc, right? No document, then no test get designed and no test cases. Okay, so nothing is there, just you have to randomly test as per your knowledge. Okay, so that is called your ad hoc testing. We can explore more. Okay, so once again guys, so this testing require no document planning process to be followed, since this testing aim to finding the defect through the random approach without any documentation. Defect will be not mapped to the test cases. Hence, sometimes it is a very difficult to reproduce the defect as there are no test steps or requirement mapped. When execute ad hoc testing, I told you, right? We have some hot fix, or we have a less time, some defect came, we having the quick fix and we can do it. Ad hoc testing can be performed when there is a limited time. So that is very important. We don't have a much time, but we have to release our product. Limited time to do elaborative testing. Usually, ad hoc testing is performed after the formal test execution. Okay. So, and if the permit and ad hoc testing can be done on the system. Ad hoc testing will be effective only if tester is knowledgeable of the system under the test. Understood, right? So otherwise, if you don't have a proper knowledge and you are testing, and definitely we having the some leakage and all. Okay, so that's it in this session guys. So if you are new in the channel, hope you are aware of my channel name. So my channel name is Ingenious TechHub. Okay, you can go to my channel. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. We will go here till now. You can see just I'm working on the manual testing training part. Later I will having the many list to start the another subject as well. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. If you will go here, so till now I have uploaded around this is the 14th video you will get, will upload soon, like this video. Okay, and please subscribe my channel. If you will go, just you can go in the playlist, you will get many real-time interview question like top level of the MNC company. If you want to learn API testing, so I have uploaded till 46 video, and I'm also planning to continue. Many things are pending here because I worked on the REST assured, right? So I have uploaded many video of the REST assured. Here you will get real-time interview question and answer, like if you're a manual tester, you don't know how to work in the automation in real time. So in this type of the question, you will stuck. So you are learning manual testing, but if you want to start to learn the automation also, guys, so I have my another website that is called Mohit TechHub. This URL you will get in the video description. You can go in the courses. Okay. In this courses, you will get Java Selenium course. Okay. Here, if you will go in the syllabus, if you are a very beginner also, if you don't know the programming, the big challenge is to learn automation testing. You have to learn programming, and here the people are going to lack. Understood, right? But I designed this course, anyone can understand. Okay, if you are a very beginner also, you will understand. You will get here some, demo video. You can just go and you can watch this demo video once. Okay, if you will feel this is profitable for you, then definitely you can enroll. And now the price is only be having the, we are giving the 50% discount. You can see only you will get for 749, and we having the best content guys. So if you will just, in this video I cannot show you all the syllabus, the people are become bored, right? So here you can see, just you can explore the syllabus as well. Around we have a 16 hours, more than 16 hours video for this. Okay, so if you want, you can enroll. If you will, if this coupon might be expired, you can reach out to me. I will create another coupon for you. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you are new in the channel, again subscribe and press bell icon to get new video notification. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.